Alright, so it's about a week later since that last video. I decided to do a cold start on the truck. As you can see, I washed it last night. It's really nice. Show you guys the front really quick. And it is kind of frosty out right now, but see, it looks really nice. Fortunately, there was some damage done from the car wash. As you can see, the sticker peeled off, but you know what? Not that bad. May get a replacement sticker because these stickers are known for peeling off apparently. Oh yeah, she's a little frosty. Just a little frosty. Okay. Let's get in here. I'll close the door all the way. Alright. So I was driving this thing around last night and it was good driver. Really nice, really planted on the road. Anyways, let's get this thing started. Quickly turn this down. You know, YouTube don't like copyrighted music. As you can see right now, it has 217,109 kilometers. Alright. I need to go get gas because we're playing a show tonight. And kind of need gas to get to where I'm going, so start this up. As you can see, starts up perfectly. Don't watch this door because that's where the ice scraper is. I'm going to scrape off all its ice. Take you around to the exhaust so you guys can hear that, because I didn't give you guys an exhaust shot last time. Some sort of whine coming out of the exhaust. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's like a probably a manifold or something. It's not that bad. It's only when it's cold. And this also started happening too. Starting to peel off right here. So we'll have to get some sealer and put that together. As you can see, nice and clean now. The black rims actually look black and not gray. You see the headlights clearly. And yeah, so that was a cold start of the 2007 Toyota Tacoma. And stay tuned for more videos. We'll have another video coming out next weekend, so stay tuned, guys.